asking a little child to do namaste and then everybody feels very happy. Namaste karo, bye bye karo, flying kichi do, ye karo, wo karo. And I'm always telling the parents, please, please don't. It's more important that you do it. You say bye bye. You say namaste to me. The child will automatically pick that up. Even at 4 and 5, please don't ask children to do something if you yourself are not doing it. We have to be the role models for how we speak, because that's how language will be learned, through hearing. When you're interacting, the child is hearing mama and papa when they talk to each other. Do they always talk? Can you pass me the salt, please? Can we do this after that, please? Then the child is hearing that that's the way we speak, that these courtesies are part of our home culture.